Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over x squared minus 15x minus 2014. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. So we have x to the power of 2 and negative 15x. About this one, we can put about number 2 multiply with 15 over 2. So in here we should have about 225 over 4. So we need to minus 225 over 4. So we calculate this number in here. And you will go about negative 8,281 over 4. Next, in this one, we can convert into x minus 15 over 2 to the power of 2. Now, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put this one equals the square root of this number. We put about 60. And this number in here, you will got about 91 over 2. And now we do first the derivative in the both sides. And you will got about the s equal to 91 over 2 sec t tan t dt. This one, we change for this one. The s, we change for this one. Now we need to simplify 91 over 2 secant t of t to the power of 2. You will got about 8,281 over 4 secant of t to the power number 2. And we put 8,281 over 4 outside. So you got about secant of t to the power of 2 minus 1. We simplify two fractions in here. And you got about 2 over 91. We have secant of t to the power of 2 minus 1 equal to tan t squared. So we put this one in here. Next, we simplify tan t. Next, we have secant of t equals to 1 over cosine t, tan t equal to sin t over cosine t. We have cosine t and cosine t. We simplify together. Now we got about dt over sin t. About this one, we multiply sin t. Next, we have the formula sin t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1 So we have sine t squared equal to 1 minus cosine t squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So we got about z equal to cosine t. So we got about dz equals to negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative, so we put the negative next to dz. And we put about negative dz in here. This one you got about z to the power of 2. Because we have a negative, so we can swap number 1 and z square in here. About this one, we got about z minus 1 multiplied with z plus 1. So we put about z minus 1 minus z plus 1, because we have negative number 1 and negative number 1, so you got about negative number 1 in here, because we need to divide negative number 2, that's why you got negative number 1. Z minus 1 divide z minus 1, you will go about 1 over z plus 1. Z plus 1 divide z plus 1, you will go about negative 1 over z minus 1. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over z plus 1, you will use about ln of absolute value of z plus 1. And similar the second one. About z, we need to change back for cosine t. About t, we need to change back for this one. So we will go about value of t equal to arc set, and we have 2 over 91 multiplied with s minus 15 over 2, and we put this one in here. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.